Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Facebook page in your WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and after that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. And when you are done with it, you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to simply click on the edit site option from here, and then it will simply take your site, and then you have to simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can see the blue mark plus icon, just simply click on it, and after that you have to simply search here for the Facebook embed in the search menu. And once you search for the Facebook embed, here you can see the Facebook embed option is already showing here. Just simply place it and drag it to your website, and after that here you can see the Facebook embed is already showing here, and you have to just simply place your Facebook account URL here, and after that you have to simply click on the embed option here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.